So we're back in the i7 and we're going to talk about the eSIM5G, which you can activate via your My BMW app. Good news is that AT&T is now added as a eSIM provider rather than just being stuck with T-Mobile. I think it's going to be much better received just because more people are going to have AT&T. So basically you can go here, countries, mobile provider. I can select AT&T. You'll have to enter in your phone number here. Once you've done, basically you're going to be taking the AT&T's website there. You'll be taking the AT&T website and then signing in to get started. All right, so I've now logged in here. So we'll see about the activation process for the eSIM5G momentarily. All right, so what you see is there's a $20 monthly fee for the service for eSIM5G, at least for with AT&T. Now you're going to have to go through a little bit of process checking out on that. Probably takes another couple minutes there to get through everything. Then you'll be taken back to the My BMW app, where you're going to have to basically wait for that mobile network provider to activate the eSIM. So a little bit of a process here in terms of waiting for things to happen, but that's what you got to do. All right, so I'm now in the back seat of the car and waiting for the eSIM to activate. So I just got notification from AT&T that it is active. So I think the process is probably about 3 to 4 minutes. It might be a little bit longer depending on where you are. But it's saying it's active on my BMW app. Although it doesn't say the same thing here in the car, so it still says setting up the personal eSIM. I have the Amazon Fire TV set up already. I've logged in. eSIM5G is recommended for this. Otherwise, you'll have to get close to a network. So maybe at home, if you want to watch movies at home in the car, you can do so. But basically, you can figure out what you want to do. Add like Disney Plus, any other subscriptions that you'd like to add as well. So you'll log into your Amazon account. That will pull up everything that you need to find. So you can see you can add Netflix, all the other stuff going on here. All right, so once you are logged into your Amazon Fire TV device here, you'll pull up your streaming stuff. So we can watch basically the Grand Tour here, which is probably pretty appropriate. So it's starting to stream here. And over here, you do have controls available to you. So you make it widescreen or completely widescreen. It does lose a little bit there in terms of letterboxing. But we'll watch just a couple things of the Grand Tour. All right, so we'll pause it there. But obviously it's really, really good quality of video. You do lose a little bit by zooming in on the display. So you lose a little bit of the resolution there and basically zooms in a little bit. So that's going to be up personal preference. You also have the ability to do Bluetooth audio. So you can have your headphones set up here. It'll find it and pair it with the device. So you don't have to listen to your theater screen via Bluetooth headphones. You can use if you've got it, the Bowers Wilkins Diamond surround sound system, 4D system. So speakers are really, really good. But obviously, you have a lot of stuff you can stream in your i7 while you're charging. So again, you are going to need to set up the eSIM5G on your account. And again, just shown that is now available with AT&T. But that's it for a quick little demonstration of the brand new theater screen in the i7. We'll see you at the next video.